When you compare Tiger versus Zojirushi rice cooker models side by side, you're really looking at two different philosophies of Japanese engineering. Tiger feels like it's designed to make life easier for a busy household, giving you features that multitask and simplify. Zojirushi, on the other hand, feels like a brand that treats rice as an art form, building machines that coax out the most delicate textures and flavors. Both have decades of heritage behind them, and both are beloved worldwide, but the way they serve you is distinct. Tiger often greets you with a more classic, approachable design, while Zojirushi leans sleek and modern, with smooth lines and LCD displays that feel almost futuristic. That difference in look translates into how you interact with them. Tiger's controls are straightforward, inviting you to press a button and trust the outcome. Zojirushi's menus give you a sense of precision, as if you're working with a tool that knows exactly how to deliver the rice you want. This is why so many people find themselves comparing Zojirushi versus Tiger rice cooker options when deciding which brand best suits their kitchen. Do you usually prefer appliances that keep things simple, or do you enjoy having lots of settings to play with? Now, when you start looking at actual models, these differences come alive. Take the Tiger JBVA10U, one of the brand's most popular models. It's a 5.5 cup cooker that showcases Tiger's famous Tacook synchronized cooking function. You can place a dish in the upper tray while your rice cooks below, and both finish at the same time without any flavor transfer. Imagine setting it up in the morning, and by dinner, you have perfectly steamed rice alongside a tender salmon fillet or a fragrant curry, all from one machine. Compare that to the Zojirushi NS-TSC10, also a 5.5 cup cooker, and you see a different philosophy. Instead of cooking two dishes at once, it puts all its energy into the rice, using advanced fuzzy logic to adjust cooking time and temperature. The result is rice that feels almost hand-tended, every grain fluffy and distinct. Both cookers are about the same size, but one leans toward versatility, while the other leans toward perfection. I'm curious, what kind of rice do you usually cook most often at home? White rice, brown rice, or maybe even sushi rice? If you move up the ladder, the contrast becomes even sharper. Tiger's JKTS series, for example, uses induction heating to give you more precise control over temperature. It's a step up from their simpler models, and it makes your rice beautifully consistent with a soft, plump bite. But then you look at Zojirushi's NP-HCC10, also an induction heating model, and you find that it layers in multiple menu settings like GABA brown rice, sushi rice, and porridge, each carefully tuned for that specific grain or style. Where Tiger gives you the joy of reliable results across everyday dishes, Zojirushi gives you the thrill of exploring rice at a more specialized level. This is the essence of a Tiger versus Zojirushi rice cooker comparison. One emphasizes convenience, the other mastery. Even the inner pans tell you a story. Tiger's nonstick pans, such as those in the JBVA10U, are thick and built for durability, designed to withstand daily use and still give you even heating. Zojirushi's pans, like the one in the NS-TSC10, often feature multiple layers of coating and precise waterline markings. You don't just pour in water, you measure it against carefully etched guides that help you achieve the exact texture you're after. It's a small detail, but it makes you feel like you're working with a precision instrument rather than just a household appliance. Capacity is another way to see the difference. Both brands offer 5.5 cup and 10 cup models, but Tiger often emphasizes family-sized cooking. The JBVA10U and its 10 cup sibling, the JBVA18U, are built for households that want to feed everyone at once, with the bonus of a main dish cooking alongside. Zojirushi's NS-TSC10 and NS-TSC18 also come in those sizes, but they feel more tailored to people who want a smaller footprint on the counter and a machine that looks as refined as it cooks. This is why so many shoppers weigh Zojirushi versus Tiger rice cooker choices carefully, depending on whether they want family convenience or culinary precision. If you had to choose, would you go for the cooker that can handle two dishes at once, or the one that makes every grain of rice absolutely perfect? When you compare these specific models, you realize that neither brand is better in an absolute sense. It's about what you value most. If you want a cooker that doubles as a meal partner, letting you prepare rice and a main dish together, Tiger's Tacook models like the JBV-A10U are perfect. If you want a cooker that treats rice as the star of the table, giving you specialized menu settings and advanced heating technologies, Zojirushi's NS-TSC10 or NP-HCC10 will make you feel like you've brought restaurant-grade precision into your kitchen. Both brands elevate rice cooking, but in different ways. Tiger brings you versatility and family-friendly convenience, while Zojirushi offers precision and refinement. By choosing one, you're not just buying a rice cooker, you're choosing the kind of cooking experience you want to bring into your home.